Hello everyone, this is Nivedita from Bangalore International Academy. I am the faculty of Shining Stars. I know it is very difficult to engage kids in their vacation. So today I am going to teach a craft with Arecanut Leaf Plate, which is going to be useful for your kids and they enjoy it the most. So all we need is Arecanut Leaf Plate and paint, brush, water, Fevicol and a cutter. So let us start cutting the plate in circles like this in the edges. I've taken 5 circles out of those plates. So first let us start pasting it. We have to arrange 5 plates, 5 circles the other way and one in like this. All the smooth surface on the top and rough surface on this. So first let us paste this on this. As I have told, all these 4 circles at the bottom and this 1 circle on top of it. So let it dry for 2 minutes. Now it is completely dry. Let us start sketching on it. Friends, you can also use this craft on the walls to decorate your home as a wall hanging. Now let us start drawing the face. It is a bit difficult to draw on this, so you can first draw sketch it with a pencil, then you can draw it with a marker. Now let me make the eyes and eyebrows. Let me draw the eyes with the pencil first so that it will come properly. Let me draw the nose, then mouth, and a mustache. Friends, now it is ready with the face. Let me draw 2 circles here. Then let me draw like a crown on the top of this. And a leaf shape drawing on it. Let me draw a kind of neck piece for this. Now let me start painting it. First, let me paint the crown yellow. Now I am done with yellow. Now let me start with green color. Done with green color. Now let me start with the face painting with pink. Now all my painting work is done and it is almost dry. Let me start the marker work where I have done with the pencil all the outline. Let me do with the marker so that it will be highlighted. Almost now all my craft work is over. Now marker work is also over. So now the wall hanging craft is ready. So you can put this on your wall so that it will look good. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Kids, please do it with the help of your parents. Kindly follow the guidelines given by the government. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.